Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this hair color, and the wig that I'll be using for today's tutorial is by CurlsCurls. So this is Lora and she's a 3B 3C natural coily hair in a 4x4 lace closure. It's also available in frontal in case you decide to go for a frontal. So I'll be unboxing the wig just to show you how it came. So it came in this black box, and in the box we have elastic bands, combs, stocking cap. Oh, they were kind enough to add face mask, 2 pairs of face mask as well. And also we have the instructions on how to take care of the hair. So this is how the hair looks in its natural state.
Me I see them anywhere they stand, me I cheer them. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I cheer them. Certain them are moving right.
So first I'm going to spray water on the hair. That way I can detangle the hair before I start the process. So I'm going to be using only developer to lift the color to a dark brown, because the hair is a natural black or natural color. So I'm going to lift it to dark brown using only 40 volume developer.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body baby, oh. Hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jari leto. I'm a jawale, say we get.
So guys, after detangling the hair, I then applied the 40 volume developer all over the hair, making sure that I cover up every strand, same way you would apply a deep conditioner on your hair. That's basically what I'm going to be doing. So I did lost some of the files of this tutorial, but all I did was just apply the developer, making sure that I cover up every strand, and then I went ahead and massaged it and detangled it and wrapped it up in this nylon bag. So after wrapping it up in that plastic bag, I left it to sit for 7 hours. That way the developer will process the hair. So this is what the hair looks like after taking out the plastic bag and the foil paper. Oh guys, I forgot to mention that I also wrapped it up in a foil paper. And this is what it looks like. The color has transformed from natural black to dark brown or chocolate, anyhow you see it, but the color really changed. And also, because I applied the developer all around the wig or the hair, it also processed the lace closure. It did bleach the knot, which was also good. So I'm going to rinse it out, and yes, I'm just checking the knots to see if they are bleached, and the knots were bleached. So I'm going to use a purple shampoo to wash the hair.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.
So guys, after using the purple shampoo to wash the hair, I let the purple shampoo sit on the hair for 30 minutes before washing it out, and then I let the hair to air dry. So this is the next day and I'm just going to be highlighting the hair. So this time around I'm using a 30 volume developer and bleach to highlight this hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is to separate the closure from the bundles or from the wefts. I don't know how to put that, but I'm separating the closure because I'm going to be highlighting the closure more. What I mean is I'm going to allow the closure to process more than the rest of the hair because I want the highlights to be mostly on the front. I mean, I want the brighter colors to be at the front. Yes, so I'm going to split the hair into two at the middle, and then I'm going to split each side into two as well, and then I'm going to separate each side into three. I'll bleach one side and skip one side. Guys, what happened is that I also lost the file of this part, so this one really broke my heart because I wanted you guys to really see. So it's just like taking small piece, bleaching it, skipping the other one, bleaching the other part. I don't know how to explain this part, guys, but I lost this file and I hope you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So you separate into three and then you skip the middle one and bleach the two. Honestly, I don't know how to explain it, but I believe you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So, and for the closure part, the side that I highlighted on the closure, what I did is I used foil paper to cover that part because I want that part to process more than the rest of the hair. So for the back of the hair, I'm also going to be spraying water just to reduce the volume of the hair. That way it will be easy for me to work with. So for the back of the hair, I'm also going to be picking it randomly and just highlighting it. I'll take small piece, highlight it, skip, highlight, skip, and highlight. And I did not use foil paper to cover up this part because I don't want this part to process like the front of the hair or the closure part of the hair. If that make any sense, please guys try to understand because I'm already feeling sad for losing all these files. In fact, so many bad things happened to me while I was filming this video. So many things, from using hot iron comb to burn my forehead in 2 places, and then losing the videos is just so painful. So try and understand, okay? Maybe I'm going to do another hair tutorial. Maybe I'm going to film another process doing this method. And also, it's my first time doing something like this. I'm always scared of using bleach. I don't know why, but I decided, you know what, let me try it. And so guys, like I said before, this wig is from CurlsCurls, and this is Lora. She's a 3B 3C natural curly hair. The density of the wig is 180, the length is 18 inches, the cap size is medium, and it's a 3B 3C natural curly hair. So the coils of this hair starts from the root to the tip and is 100% virgin human hair. The prices starts from $179. I do have a 5% coupon code for you guys, and the coupon code is Omoni. I'm going to leave it on the screen as well. So the link to this hair will be in my description box below. Basically every details of this hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested.
Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. VQ's bad man, punk instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay, bad man, see what take you there. Bad man, finna gone away. It's okay, bad man, finna take you there.
It's CurlsCurls.
original.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a ya, say she give me in a ya.
So before I finish the back section of the hair, the front section that I covered with foil had already processed, so I just left the back section for like 15 minutes before washing it out. Like I said before, I don't want the back section to process like the front section of the hair. So right now I'm going to wash out the bleach from the hair.
Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the...
You can already see how beautiful the colors are looking, and at this point I was really excited. Okay. After rinsing out the bleach from the hair, I went ahead and used a neutralizing shampoo to stop the bleach from processing the hair, and then I'm going to use a purple shampoo to remove every brassiness from the hair, and I let the purple shampoo sit on the hair for an hour before rinsing it out. But this purple shampoo is looking like blue shampoo, or is it my eyes that is deceiving me? Well, maybe it's my eyes.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Be that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah.
And after that, I'm going to use the Shimmer Lights purple conditioner to also remove the brassiness and moisturize the hair at the same time. And I also left that to sit on the hair for an hour before rinsing it out. And as you can see, I'm also detangling the hair at the same time. And then I'm going to rinse that out after an hour and let the hair air dry, and voila, our final result. This hair is so good to the extent that even after bleaching and doing all of these things to the hair, the texture still feels really soft, as if nothing was done to the hair. And the coils did lose a little bit, just a little bit, nothing serious at all. Like, if I wanted the coils to come back, I can actually use products to bring back the coils to its natural state, but I just wanted to wear this hair like this. And maybe in another video I'm going to be defining the coils, but for this video, this is how it looks. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ's bad man, point the instrumental, give me the one time. It's okay. Bad man, take you there.